Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are just showing you a short video about the unboxing of this pen. This is a package I received from Benu pens, and I didn't open it yet. I just removed the invoice here, but it is still closed. I know which pen is inside, so let's see it. First of all, I know it is quite annoying to hear the noise of the plastic being unwrapped, so I'll try to make it as quiet as I can and as quick as I can. So I'm just cutting off the plastic, and here we have a bubble wrap, and here you can see which is the model of the pen. It's their new Hexagon F. The F is the color of this new pen, and it is hexagon. It is easy to understand because it means that the pattern of the pen is an hexagon. So here you have a package, very beautiful package, and let's open it. There is kind of an inner package which has the pen, some shredded paper to protect it, and instructions and all that. I'll show you when I'll make the review of the pen. And here inside of this cardboard package we have the pen. So as you can see, it is very different. It is an hexagon. The name of the pen is Hexagon, but the only part is really hexagon shaped is this central part of the cap. Otherwise it is almost conical, but it has an hexagon pattern all over, and it has this reddish glitter. And let's open it. It unscrews, and we have a transparent red section, a black barrel, a black cap, and this Schmidt fine nib. So this is an interesting and different pen. Okay, it comes with a converter, and that's it. This is a new pen. It was sent by Benu, as I told you. So thank you, Kate, for sending this pen for review. It's quite interesting and very different from everything I own, really. And I will make this review soon and tell you what I feel about this pen after some use, obviously. So I hope to see you again here soon, and see you next video. Bye.